This is my version of the 250 watt to 24 volt electric scooter conversion kit. Keys in the frame right there, and my charging port is right here. I gotta watch your display. All the gears still work. Shoot it, dog. Shoot it. Not too shabby, eh? Nice cruising around little thing. It's only 24 volt and 250 watts, so we're not gonna break any speed record, but likes to cruise around. Fully suspended. Everything works. Very nice. Very nice. I think. Very nice. Very nice. Don't pa ilam mesti wek kau. Very steep hill, huh? But she made it. Yeah. If you wanna see more builds like this, you know, just subscribe to my channel. Get me motivated. I think I got this build.